Hi everybody, Eric Brandon from BoatTEST.com at IBEX 2023 at the Tampa Convention Center. What an amazing show it's been so far. It just got more amazing. We're at Flushmaster, Outboard Flushing Solutions. And I'll tell you something, this is something really caught my eye. Being a boat salesman, being a boater himself, I'm with T. T, first of all, a handshake.
Certainly appreciate you coming by.
Great unit you got together.
Thank
My
you.
biggest complaint for most of my boat buyers and owners, Eric, you know what, flushing is so hard to do. It's a pain to do it, I forget. Talk about why this just took all the worry away.
You're so right, Eric. The Flushmaster really was devised to really simplify the process at the end of the day. What it is, it's a marine grade time manifold system that flushes your engines in sequence, individually, one at a time. And once you connect it and start it, you're done with the process. So as in this application, if we were coming back to our dock and flushing these two motors, Yamaha recommends 15 minutes apiece. That's a 30-minute process from start to finish if you do it appropriately and consistently every time. What the Flushmaster does is allow you to connect it, start it, and each engine will be done individually, consistently, and effectively every time.
This is sort of a set it and forget it.
It is completely
operation.
a set it and forget it.
Now, you mentioned before when it arrives at your home, it's a self-contained kit, right?
Yes, it is.
Which comes with what?
Yeah, so when you open your box at home, the box will include the Flushmaster. It will have the length of hose that you've ordered, the connectors, the batteries, and a screwdriver to put the batteries in. So everything you need to use the device is plug and play right out of the box.
So single, twins, trips,
And
quads.
This is our 2-port application, and this is our 4-port application. You could use the 4-port application as a single. Say, for example, if you're an owner that has a big offshore boat with trips or quads, but you also have a little flats boat with a single.
Right.
This unit would be able to do both.
I'm thinking about how great this really is. First of all, you can actually install this yourself. You can actually connect these to your engines by yourself. You set this by yourself. You walk away and have a cocktail on your balcony.
Exactly.
And you're done.
Exactly. And you hard plumb it like this, you never have to turn the water off. So the beautiful part about it is at the end of the day, you're the one, the owner of the boat is dealing with all the cleanup and everybody's up at the house or in the pool. This takes you out of the boat and into the party because you're done with this process.
So what T has mentioned, this is so easy to install. Basically this, you pop this, take that off, bring this over here, you put that on, bingo, you're ready to go. Start flushing your motors, let it go, set it and forget it. As we mentioned, this is totally portable. Take it wherever you want to go. Has its own carrying bag. It carries the hose inside. And of course, the most important part is the Flushmaster unit right here.
So both of these quick connects are designed to replace the OEM flush plugs on both Suzuki's and Mercury's, and we're really excited about these. In the next 45 days, we'll have these ready for market. Just finishing up the packaging right now.
If I want to see you online, how do I see you?
Our website is SeaMule.com. Retail on this unit, the 2-port with 7-foot hoses is just under $300, so it's a very affordable solution that simplifies the process at the end of the day for yourself.
I'm taking this one, putting it on my boat, okay? For Boat Test, I'm Eric Brandon. Remember, life is always better on a boat.